107.1 FM Radyo Bandera. Alright, that's the song coming from Tiffany from 1990. Here in My Heart is the title of that song. Final stretch of this radio show. Alright. Time is almost up for me, but we still do have time to read to you the latest job announcements. Okay, mga naghahanap po ng trabaho, here are some of the latest job announcements at the Subic Bay Freeport Zone job vacancies. All right, Western Infocom is looking for automation engineers, repair engineers, office staff, PCB layout design engineers, PCB layout design assistants, and the deadline is going to be on April 15, 2025. I'm not going to read the qualifications anymore dahil mahaba, no? Marami. Okay, if you want to check out the qualifications for it, you may visit the official SBMA Labor Department Facebook page. It's all there. It's all posted there. Okay? So moving on to the next job opening. It's from Brooks Aesthetic and Wellness Center. They are in need of an housekeeping assistant. April 15 is the closing date. Oak Tree Productivity Incorporated is in need of the following accounting staff, account officer, sales officer, and the deadline is April 15, 2025. Mondrian Aura College is looking for a science laboratory technician, school librarian. April 16 is the deadline. And League One Finance and Leasing Corporation is looking for an accounts admin specialist. April 16, 2025 is the deadline. Next up, we have the following job openings from OEDC, Olongapo Electricity Distribution Company. All right. So they're looking for an accounting staff, lineman, electrical engineer. And the deadline for this is on April 14, 2025. For the next job openings, this is for Optimum Security Services Incorporated. They are looking for security guards. April 30, 2025 is the deadline. College of Subic Montessori is looking for the following: management information system staff, academic head, accounting staff. Deadline is on April 30, 2025. Ichiban Import-Export Corporation is looking for a purchasing staff slash messenger. Slash messenger. There you go. April 28 is the deadline. And next up, we have the job openings for Subic Bay Marine Exploratorium Incorporated. They're looking for a marketing events coordinator, as well as artist and craftsman. Health and safety manager. Safety manager. Okay? And the deadline is on April 30. Okay? Absolute Services is looking for a copy editor or copy editors with an S. Marami, ano? Editorial assistant. April 10 is the deadline. Oh, malapit na. Okay, you better hurry. And Sanfeng, Subic International Corporation is looking for a marketing and legal assistant, civil engineer as well. April 30 is the deadline. Global Terminals and Development is in need of a truck driver, inventory assistant, procurement officer. April 30 is the deadline. Dami, ha? Sabi sa inyo maraming trabaho, hindi naman nawawalan eh. Sipagan nyo lang, sipagan nyo mag-apply, okay? And Global Maritime Logistics is in need of the following: accounting officer, picket boat operator. Deadline is April 30. Global Hotel and Leisure Properties is looking for an accounting officer as well, gardener, room attendant, inventory assistant, front office assistant, laundry attendant. April 30 is the deadline. Naku, ang dami pa. Maubusan yata tayong oras dito. Ayan, yan muna for the meantime. Tuloy ko na lang bukas, no? Actually, yung binabasa ko, hindi pa po nangangalahati. Ang dami pa, ang daming job openings. Just look for the SBMA Labor Department official Facebook page. It's all posted there. Pati na rin yung mga qualifications, deadlines, ano yung mga kailangan. Yan, okay? May nagtanong sa akin, DJ, gusto ko mag-apply sa Nisera. I heard okay daw doon. Oh, okay talaga doon. Maganda mag-apply sa Nisera. Dami employees din yan, ano? Dami pag nag-hiring din ng Nisera Philippines, massive, maramihan. Oh. Tsaka ang nakakatuwa sa kanila, pagkatapos nilang Nisera, niayos din nila. Nisera, no? Niayos. Maisingit lang. Okay, and lastly, before I say goodbye, Meron pa, no? May mga announcement. Bukas na siguro, wala na tayong oras. Hindi pa naman deadline ng mga announcement natin na to. But anyways, a couple of invites muna before I say goodbye. Coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ayan, okay? So let's check it out. Ang first invite for you is from our home. Okay? Fresh Summer. Up to 80% off plus 5% off. And Fresh Summer Home at our home. Transform your home this summer with a clean, clear, and fresh look. Choose light and airy colors and minimalistic decor to capture the essence of the season. Okay, located at the third level, of course, of SM City Olongapo Central. Alright? And Black Crust Pizza Company. Uy, nag-open to today ha. Sayang, hindi ako nakadaan. Sabi ni Ma'am Net, may ano daw may free ice cream. Sayang, no? Ayan. Ano kayang flavor ng ice cream? Okay, so Black Crust Pizza now open. Ground level SM City Olongapo Downtown. Tag your pizza buddies and follow their FB page for exciting promos, exclusive deals, and surprises. Plus free ice cream nga. Ayun, so, sana may aabutan pa. Naku, wala na. Alas 9 sarado na. So Black Crust Pizza is now open at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Hop into sweetness with Bunny Banana. Indulge in one-of-a-kind ice cream, sundaes, and smoothies. Crafted for the ultimate sweet escape, located at the level 4 SM City Olongapo Central. Something new for you to try. Bunny Banana. I'm interested. And dive into the next dimension of excitement. Visit Playopedia PH at the level 4 of SM City Olongapo Central and step into the 9D Playo spacecraft for an unforgettable journey that will leave you breathless and wanting for more. Okay, so get ready to experience that. Playopedia, the next gen gaming. Okay, it's at the SM City Olongapo Central. And bringing the hottest beats to SM Supermalls this summer, catch the Wish Bus. Alam niyo na yan. Wish 107.5. Lamang lang sila ng 4 no? 107.1 tayo, no? Catch the Wish Bus Fridays Roadshow at SM for live music, good vibes, and unforgettable performances. Okay? So, check out the schedule. Umiikot yan at all SM. Hindi naman lahat ng SM sabay-sabay. Siyempre, isa lang yung Wish Bus eh. So, check out the schedule. Visit the official Facebook page of SM. Okay? And also do check out the summer sports. Enjoy summer at SM from epic e-games to thrilling sports and cutest pet Olympics. It's all about fun and family and furry friends. Stay active, okay? And get connected with SM for the summer that's gonna be unforgettable. Summer sports at SM, okay? And also, this one's ongoing. Kaizen is having the Holy Week promo, April 1 to 16 yan. Yan, okay? 20% off from April 1 to 16, second level of SM Downtown. Also, visit Auntie Anne's. Have a passion fruit cream. All branches, especially available. Okay? Dine-in or take-out and deliveries. And Auntie Anne's is at SM Central. Also, Karamia Gelato. Check out the Matcha Dream Gelato. It's all here. All shapes and sizes at SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And sip into summer. Tama-tama, no? Summer drinks. Soak up the summer vibes with the perfect refreshing sips. Cool down with a fresh watermelon shake, fresh yellow mango shake, black gulaman and sago, and the ultimate halo-halo at Conti's. Alright? SM Central ground level. So those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And that's about it for me. Time is up for DJ Tommy G. Thank you for jamming with me. Ayan, syempre yung pagbati bago ako mag-bye-bye. Yung greetings natin para sa mga nakikinig.